Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am finally back up here at what has now become our Step 5 home up in beautiful, snowy Whistler, British Columbia. We are just heading into Christmas, last week beforehand, and while the outside still needs some work, as you can see, some siding that's going to wait till the spring, the inside is nearing completion. With our happy clients moving in just before Christmas. So I thought now would be a great time to come in and have a quick update on progress to date. And just for fun, if you want to see where we've come from on this incredible build, go back and check out some of the videos from a year or two ago as we were doing site works and foundations to get a better sense of what the true scope of this incredible build is. So let's go on inside and we'll have a look at some of the finishes and a few shout outs to some of our key partners who have made this such a great success. Here we are, entry coming in from the stairs from the lower level, door there. Of course, elevator doors are in, and the platform has been installed. You can see the track there. The cab is a little bit on back order. And of course, we've got these fantastic looking stairs from BH Wood. Fit like a glove, so shout out to the boys there for doing a fantastic job. Of course, this floor down here is our bedroom floor, although you know you can still see that we've got some protection and things down on the floor. Finishes are generally complete. Of course, we've got a Marathon hot water tank from Riemann there. That is truly the most efficient electric resistance hot water tank on the market, and should last you at least 20 years. And then, of course, our favorite heating and cooling partner, Detson, and their smart duct system. We can have a look at you know, some of the diffusers as we go through. Hallway down to bedrooms. You can see carpet in, vacuum in the background. We're doing a bit of cleaning, getting ready here. And laundry room at the back here. Yeah, just sort of in the last phases of cleaning. Of course, we've got you know, the beds going in, furnishings, bathroom ready to go. Just need a mirror. So let's go on upstairs and have a look at some of the jewelry up there. Going upstairs from the entry level up to the kitchen, living room, dining room here. Bit of protection still on everything, but you know, we've got a fantastic view out over the side there, and everybody, the boys all celebrating with a little bit of a pizza lunch. Say hello, everyone. All right, fireplace in the background. Shout out to Sofo Kitchens for the kitchen in the background there. Yeah, final touches here as we get ready for Christmas.